we're going to be making a Lowe's bottle brush tree ornament hack. And we'll be using these little bottle brush trees that we got at Dollar Tree that light up pretty nice. As you can see in the picture here, they're $23.99. We can do that way cheaper, way cheaper. These things are only $1.25, something like that. And we're going to use some things from around the house instead of the little gold bowls. So we found some of these little silver plated and pewter sugar bowls and creamers. Put those to use and fancy that up quite a bit. And don't forget to hit subscribe. It is free. I just want to reiterate that. 90% of our viewers check our things, but they're afraid to subscribe. Why? Probably because they think there's a catch. There's a 90-day trial, and it doesn't cost you a dime. So feel free to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, give us a like. I'm crazy about the green star, so I'm going to be painting that gold. So to add some glam to these, we're going to be using these silver-plated sugar bowls. So we'll take these, we'll see how it fits. Oh, nice. So we'll just take a little dab of glue just to hold it in place. Don't want to put a whole bunch on there. Put that in there level. I think that's level. Test this one. Oh yeah. So for this one, there is a lot of coverage. You can see the wood on the top there, so I'm going to cover it with some moss from Dollar Tree. Give it a little more natural look. Just tear some chunks out of there. And some glue. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh yeah, just a little nicer look. And we'll just glue a part of that to level it out inside the saucer or the sugar bowl. So we're here to save you money making these beautiful crafts. When we're done, these are going to be pretty. And we're going to upgrade it a little bit from the Lowe's thing. We're going to be putting it on this beautiful platter that we got at a thrift store for about $4. And these trees are, like I said, they're about $1.25. So if you have 3 or 4 trees, it's going to be, you know, $3 or $4, $5. So for $9, maybe even 10, that's half the price or more than the Lowe's pieces. And when we finish the trees, we'll put them on our little tray here. You can display them as a centerpiece on your dining room table, put them up on your bureau or mantle. They'll make an excellent addition to your Christmas decor, and for half the price. So to make it like Lowe's, we'll have to have 4 of them. We've made 2 big ones, and we're going to be making these 2 smaller ones. These are all Dollar Tree trees. Some are a little harder to find than others, but they are at your Dollar Tree. This one has nice decorations. This one does not, but you could decorate it if you wanted to with some beads or whatever you have in your craft kit at home. So the same idea applies. We're going to be putting those in there like that. Put a little bit of glue so to stabilize it. And we're going to put this little baby in here. Should be cute. Just going to add it to the bowl here, just so we can even it out nice. That way, if your branch doesn't quite reach the bottom, you don't want to hide all your nice decorations that you just bought on here. So just hold that on there for a little bit. There we go. tree. Balance that out so it looks nice and straight. Hold it up there a little bit. There we go. Look at that. Stunning, isn't it? Now, so we have 4, just like we do on Lowe's, but we're going to bring that up a little bit. We're going to be adding another tree that we got at Dollar Tree. And to make it just like Lowe's, we now have 4 Christmas trees in containers. Except ours are nice silver sugar bowls and creamers. And these trees, by the way, are a lot bigger than the Lowe's ones. The Lowe's ones are probably around this size, where my finger is. So a little shorter than this one, but a little taller than that one. So these are much bigger in comparison. So you'll have much more of an impact on your display. Now, we're also going to be upgrading that with another big tree we got at Dollar Tree for some visual height. And we're going to be arranging all this and glam it up a bit on our tray that we got. So we can take the tall one. I'm going to put that one on the back just so that we have a nice background, and we'll put the others in front. We'll take this little beauty. We'll stick that one here. Put that in the back. There we go. And we put that there, and we want to put the battery pack sort of in the back so it's hiding, because nobody really wants to look at the battery pack, right? So we'll take that one, put that up there, and we'll take our other trees and see how that looks over there. We'll put that one here. Take this one back a little bit. This one back here. Oh yeah, there's some nice visual interest there. It's pretty nice. Put those there. We also have another little addition here they're going to be putting in as well. And where's my little baby? Ah, here we go. Look at that little beauty. That cost us $1. We actually got it through someone on Facebook Marketplace. Got a whole bunch of them for like $5. So pretty affordable. And we're going to put that to add a natural look to our little forest scene. We'll have him coming out of the forest. Let's see. Well, how does that look? Just like that? I don't know. We want him emerging, I suppose. So, there. There he is, coming out of the forest into the clearing. There. Put another little one here, maybe? There. How's that? How does that look? Isn't that pretty? And if you want, for some extra effect, we have some Dollar Tree snow. Now this is optional. It might be a little messy, but it'll add some nice feature to the front. So we'll just sprinkle that around in the front. I'm just going to have to turn this for a sec because I can't see, but let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Do, do. Okay. So there we go. If you wanted to stabilize it a little bit more, you could use a little dab of glue on your tray, on the pieces there, just to stabilize them if you're going to be moving it a lot, or if you're worried about the little ones knocking it over. But other than that, we didn't glue any of these on because we're not going to be moving them a lot. And yeah, just adds a nice little, isn't that beautiful? Wouldn't you like that as a centerpiece or something on your mantle? I would. So, very pretty. Look at that. So like I say, you can do this definitely for a lot less than $23.99, and you can make your own creation, your own decoration. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. But yeah, it's beautiful, and it saves you a lot of money. So you can make a nice little centerpiece for a lot less than you could buy just 4 little bowls with brush trees in them. And if you wanted to add to your arrangement or to balance out a side table, you could take some more creamers, maybe some pewter mugs. You could stack those together, something like that. Put in some more brush trees. They fit so nicely in there. Look at that. You get some more visual height. You can take some old candlestick holders that you have and put some other trees on there. Don't like that one. I'm going to try this one. That fits so nicely on top of there. Look at that. So you could glue those in if you wanted to. We're not going to glue them in here today. But if you want to add some different features, or if you had a bigger tray, you could add more trees. Get a lot of visual interest with the different heights and the different textures. Makes a very, very pretty Christmas decoration or decor. Yes.